Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Sully, and it is time for another build video update, this time on a Sabre 45 for Boston Yachts. This is part 2 of the build here, and the team has been hard at work. We take a look up here on the hardtop. The radar mast's laying down right now. It's a little tired. It's taking a nap, but you can see we're getting it all dialed up and dressed up here with the spotlight on it, nav lights, all that good stuff. We're going to have the radar mounted up there. The FLIR camera is actually going to be mounted up here on the brow, and then we're going to do a Starlink on one of those pads in the back there as well. So we're getting the hardtop all dressed up, laid out, getting that thing all nice and ready to go. So now we're going to make our way back, and as we do, we touched on this in the last video, guys, but the woodwork on here, the bright work is really starting to come along, and this is all right now what you're seeing, West System epoxy. Now, I kind of teased it a little bit in the last video, guys, and I'm not ready to let the cat out of the bag quite yet, but just know this is going to be something different we haven't seen on a Sabre before when it comes to the bright work on this particular build. So you're definitely going to want to give us a follow to stay tuned on that one and see what's going on. As we make our way inside here, you can start to see we've got panels down, we're pulling everything apart, getting all of our wire runs. Like I said, we're working on the hardtop, so now we've got all of our wire runs and wire chases going on there for things like our Starlink and network cables, getting everything all labeled up, making sure everything is all nice right there for VHF, AIS, all of those kind of things. So we've got all that going on. Obviously, we still have a ton of goodies here that are going to be installed. Make sure that that's all getting set up. Going in here, this boat, as we mentioned, has the 9200s, so we are a BlueNet boat, so we have to have multiple BlueNet GMS 20 hubs on here. If you don't know what those are, go ahead and follow us on Sundays with Sally at Navtronics, because we talked about these and what these are when they are relating to the Garmin system and how things are getting networked. We're going to be doing a lot more of those as the future goes on here. So that's it, guys. That is this week's Sabre 45 build for Boston Yachts. If you want to know anything else about this build, leave it down below in the comments. And as always, guys, make sure to give us a like, follow, subscribe, share at Navtronics on YouTube. We got a whole lot of build videos. We got a whole lot of other great stuff coming up. You're going to want to make sure to give us a follow, and we'll see you guys next week with another update. Peace.